In this video, I'm going to share with you our new strategy called the Profit Hunter strategy. So this strategy is only applicable to unified trading because there is a function, we call it collaterals. So this is a strategy that you can buy and hold the token that you have, and you can use it to trade long position for leverage. And it's pretty safe because the portion is pretty small. So actually I'm doing an example with more of an account. Now here is 1007. So how I run it, I will probably break it into 3 token over here, and I will leverage on 2 token that I think that is long run pretty well. Or probably I will just run it probably like 4 token at 1002. Yeah, probably let's do 4 token. So what I'm gonna do here is I go to trade, I go to spot, and yeah, I do like H bar a lot, but in this point of time we're gonna bet on something that is bigger. So let's go into Ethereum. So Ethereum is a good buy right now. I will say that it's a good buy. Why? Because you actually pump up quite high, so the target price is 4,008. So it may crash to 3,002, but it's okay. Let's just grab it right now because the always best time is right now. So what I'll do now is I will just buy $400 of Ethereum. Okay, and I will buy ICP. ICP is a good time to accumulate right now. So it's the target is 400, but I think that I will just buy $200 over here, because each lot I actually planning to have 400, but I think ICP is something that cannot miss. And of course Dogecoin, what I will do offload is that when Elon Musk they're on board on 20th of January, then I offload all. And BTC, of course. Yeah, BTC right now is pretty high, but I'll still get it. Why? Because for long run, this is definitely a good holding. Probably will go to 150,000 and probably lesser. Yeah, I think maybe we should just keep half of it over here. And I can just grab one more. What do you guys think that we should grab? Another $200. Yeah, I think Chainlink is a good buy also. Let's grab Chainlink over here. Okay, so it's flexible, doesn't mean that you must just grab it, all these. So now we have Ethereum as a main. In original I actually have this Satoshi token. I'll just leave it here. So this is the current strategy that we have here. So we won't have everything best in our hand, so this is what we can do. And now what I'm going to open up is a smaller leverage, probably 30 times. Yeah, just save it here. Okay, so what I'll do is I will do Solana. So it will actually based on 435 that we have. Let's check it out how much we have. Let's say I buy a 505. Okay, that means if the price probably will crash until 143, then this account will get liquidated. Okay, so 5, let's buy it first. Okay, so once we have, what is our target exit price? Let's say $350. So this will bring us 606 profit, right? It's pretty good, right? So I will just click it. So what's the purchase? You all know the purchase is $39. You all see the cost is $39.35. The liquidation price is $143.34. Therefore, it brings us from $39 to profit $600. So this is a technically 20x, correct? And what is the magical moment here? It's actually we have this, what we call unified trading. So unified trading will add a result that you are able to leverage. Let me see. You see Ethereum. I will just open use as collaterals. Okay. Then let me let me show you. So see, the liquidation price went down. So now I'm going to open up another one, ICP, and I'll just open up use as collaterals. As you can see, it actually dropped down again. Okay, then I'll just open up another one. So this also prevent that your account will get liquidated. Okay, use as collaterals. You see, getting lesser and lesser. So it's likely that you will get liquidated. So we also must take into consideration that whatever token that you hold, it actually will crash down as well. So we just need to estimate how far will it crash. So Solana later probably will crash down again. So what we will do is when it crash down again, we just add on another positions. So how much position that we are able to add? So let me close up first. This is not a usual thing. So that's why at the beginning when you set up, right, you just make sure that you will not fall into the liquidation price. If not, your whole account will get burst. So we can use this very small to gain big. Then it will be very amazing. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, we already close out everything already. So what you can see, like you see, the liquidation price here. So that means if we were to add on another half of it at a lower price, is 186. So this is what we need to note down. Let me take a screenshot. So you can actually do 2 tokens, but you just need to remember what's your liquidation price and do not over leverage on it. Because $400, actually, if one ambitious a bit, you can actually do 2 sets. So another set, what will I do? It's probably I will go and leverage on Doge. Although now it already pump up quite high, but I think that because you see the target price. So just now what we buy is pretty good buy. So it actually will go up again. So probably I will long a very small portion of Doge. You see it's a $4, right? Maybe you go more. Okay, it's a $10 leverage. Any liquidation price? There's no liquidation price at this point of time based on the limited funds. Okay, so what's our target exit price? I think that you go 60 cents. So you see $500, it will go to $91. Okay, maybe do another 500 Doge over here. So as you can see, what we spend here on 1000 Dogecoin, $23. Okay, it will bring us $182. Although the leverage is not very high because the upsize is not very significant, we can put 65 cents if we wanted to. Okay, so let me do a experiment whether can I set to sell off. Okay, I already have here spot sell, then I will just put limited. So this is to prevent that you don't have time to see. You can just set it at a price to sell off 65 cents, or maybe we can put 60 cents. I think 65 cents is a good buy. So it's not double up, but it's a good amount because we actually get in at $200, but it's $311. So of course you can adjust accordingly, but I think this is a good amount that we have 1.5x. Okay. So what I'm trying to achieve over here is that if I set sell off, am I able to use this as a collaterals for the account? Let me see. If yes, then I think this is a pretty safe side. So see, it's 109.360. If I disable it, bear with me, this is a very important thing. Because if you already set sell off, will be still able to use it as collaterals. So as a result, you are able to use it as collaterals. Because we already have a set order to sell. Let me see here. Spot. We have an order lineup. We have a Doge sell at spot. Close on long position. Long position. Okay, great, perfect. So what I'm going to do here is to go to Doge here, and I just use as collaterals. Okay, perfect. So ICP, what is the target price to exit? Okay, it's $30, but I think we're gonna do it a very safe side. Maybe just put it as $25. Okay, $25 will let us gain how much? Almost double, right? You can just sell. Okay, so I'm not going to set all these things, so you don't have to go in and monitor this account pretty much. So if what is the selling price, best price? I think 4,005. Okay, on long run actually it's 8,000, but yeah, let's put it more conservative. So 400 will go up to $500, right? I think maybe you can put more. I think $5,000. Okay, yeah, put sell if. Great. If you put sell, do not come back and say, oh, I should have been keeping more. I think BTC we can keep it for long holding, but I think we can just put it here first. Let's see, maybe we put 100 and actually by year end we'll hit 200,000. So maybe let's set 200,000 so we won't regret. Okay, just offload all lah. 200,000. So our investment $200 will double up. Okay, then just put sell. Then last but not least, it's our chain link. Okay, chain link I think that it will hit $50, but we just put it on safe side. We just put $40. So you see, the cost is actually very little. We can just keep it. You see. So this amount that we have here, it's actually $200. So yeah, so we just need to do it. We open up leverage, use as collaterals. ICP use as collaterals. BTC use as collaterals. Link use as collaterals. And one of the strategy that we can do is that when we are using profit, if you are doing scalping means that you will open a very small position, but do not do it if you are not very familiar. If not, you can just follow the signal group. So over here, this Solana, my second strategy over here is I will add on position when it crashed to 200 or maybe 210. When I see this negative getting more, then I'll just add on another 5. So as a result, if I add on another 5, this amount probably will go more. That means from $30 to 600 profit probably will go to $1,500 or $2,000. So this account we can easily make it double during these markets. So that's all. This is the strategy that we have, and that's all. We just use this 400 to leverage, and this is our strategy of Profit Hunter. So don't worry about if it's negative. It's all right because we are doing this for long holding. So this is suitable for everyone who are new. You don't have to go so many particular small token. It's just that we know how the token works, the tokenomics works. That's why we actually use it for this. I will hope that you guys can double or triple your portfolio safely during this bull market.